Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. Today, I gonna discuss the part of our topic, which is the DC motors and generator. By the way, I am Melfred D. Lacaba from Bentec Electrical 1C. First, the DC generator. A DC generator is an electrical machine that converts mechanical energy into direct current DC electrical energy. It works on the principle of magnetic induction, where a changing magnetic field induces an electromagnetic force EMF in a conductor. Next, the component of DC generator. First, the yoke, the outer frame providing mechanical support and magnetic path. Second, field poles produce the magnetic field. Third, field windings, coils around poles creating the magnetic field. Armature, rotating part where EMF is induced. Armature winding, conductor in the armature including EMF. Sixth, the commutator, convert AC to DC, the most used. Last, the brushes, conduct current between commutator and external circuit. Working principle of DC generator. We have two types and operator of DC generator. DC generator are classified based on how the field windings is excited. First type is the separately excited DC generator, which is the field windings powered by an electric external DC source. Second, the self-excited DC generator, that divided into three, which is the shunt field windings in parallel with armature. Second is series wound field windings in series with armature. Third, compound wound, combination of shunt and series windings. Next, the operation. A DC generator works on electromagnetic induction. When the armature rotates within the magnetic field, an EMF is induced. The commutator converts the AC EMF to DC, which is then output through brushes. Let's move to the DC motors. A DC motors is an electrical machine that converts direct current DC electrical energy into mechanical energy. Ganina ang DC generator is DC motor is electrical energy to electrical machine. The DC motors is electrical machine that convert direct current or DC electricity energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. Ang DC generator ganina, which is the mechanical energy to electrical energy. And it works on the principle that a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences a mechanical force causing rotation. We have the constructions of DC motors. Same as in DC generator, but same as into the DC generator. The outer frame providing mechanical support and magnetic path. Field poles produce the magnetic field. Field windings coils around poles creating the magnetic field. Armature, rotating part where current interact with the field. Armature winding, conductors in the armature carrying current. Commutator, reverses current directions for continuous rotating, brushes conduct current between external circuit and commutator. Naara sila'y something kalahian gamay sa DC generator. Next, the DC DC motors are classified based on how the field windings is connected. Types of DC motors: shunt wound DC motors, field windings in parallel with armature. Parallel gihapon siya. Second, the series wound DC generator, field windings in series with armature. Third, compound wound DC motors, combination of shunt and series winding as long as into the DC generator industry. But in DC motors, we have four. The permanent magnet DC motors uses permanent magnet for the field. Then the two categories of compound motor. Compound motors are categorized into two main types. First, the cumulative compound motor. Series field aids the shunt field. The parallel connection shunt field parallel connection na increases torque. Mataas ang torque using this cumulative compound motor. Second, the differential compound motors. Series field opposes the shunt field, reducing torque. And that's all. Thank you for listening.